Hey Dadu, I'm gonna show you how you can use this thing online. So this is Safari. You're not gonna download anything. This is all gonna be on the internet. Okay, so in order to use what I'm about to show you, you have to be online. You can't edit anything in Word if you don't have access to the internet. So you're gonna go to in your Google search, you could type in Word online, and then Microsoft Word Online, office.live.com. Click on that, and you should see something like this. Now, you won't have an account, and every idea that I have is going to ask you to do something like this, where you have to create an account. So you're going to sign up for a new account. And oh, so anyway, you're going to go through this and sign up, create an account, and let's say you've already done all this. You've created an account. It'll probably have you go through do something in your email. Then you'll come back to this screen, right? Because you're going to have typed in Word Online, and then you'll sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay, so I've signed in with this information. Just going to blow this up a little bit. You can see it better. Oh, you might not be able to see that. Okay, now this should look like the Word that you're familiar with, where you know you can choose these different. Even have a simple resume. I'm going to click on this. But again, remember, this is not saved anywhere on your computer. It's all saved online in the cloud. So here's the layout. I'll just do a test. Okay, now let's say you go through all this stuff, or you just do a blank document, whatever it is. File, save as, just like Word. So let's see, I'm going to type in put it in documents, save, Seth, resume. Okay, done. Now, this is saving. I know that it's saved properly because there's the name right there. And when I'm done and I'm sure that I've saved it, I can either sign out or just close the screen, close the window. So I'm gonna just close the window. Let's pretend like I wanted to come back to do some more work on my resume. Again, I'm just gonna type in Word Online. find this link, go back to where I was before. Oh, I guess it's because I didn't sign out. But anyway, it would ask you to sign in, and then it might ask you, how would you know where your file is? Well, there's this list over here of recents, okay? The other option, since you would only have one, actually, you should always see it in your recent. If you don't, I guess you could call me. So I just tap on that. It's going to open it up again. Now, this screen looks different, right? We want to edit the document. And we are going to edit in Word Online, right? Because that's what we've been using. You can't do this one because you don't have Word on your laptop. Now let's say you've done this enough times, you're done, you're ready to share it. So how do you share it? Well, what you want to do is go to File, Save As, and then you can download a copy to your computer, and then you could email it. You can download it as a PDF. You can email it. If you wanted to send in a hard copy, go to Print. Now, I know you don't have I think you said you don't have a printer connected to your Mac, so this actually isn't, I guess, an option for you. You would still just want to save it, download a copy, and then email it to your work email and print it out there, I guess. So, let's just use this to write down the steps. You're going to Google search for Word Online. You'll need to create a new account, which will probably need to be verified through email. Return to Word Online. Click on New File. Which we saw a simple resume file or just a blank document. Edit. When finished, log out, or just close Safari. Return to your document. And finish making your resume. And then go to File. Actually, so then after this one, to return to your document, you may remember you'll of course log in and then look for your resume under the recent files to the on the left hand side of your screen. Go to your file, and then the last piece would be download a copy. Of course, if you wanted to go to get fancy, since this isn't actually saved on your computer, all you have to do then is, instead of downloading a copy to yourself, all you have to do is go to a computer with a printer connection. Then you'll just do you'll go to that computer's internet browser to search for Word Online, log in and access your file. Oops. And print from that computer. So in other words, you might not actually need to send it to yourself. Since this file is just saved on the internet, you could just go to any computer that has access to the internet and can access a printer. Go to this website. To print it, you just go to File, Print this document. It's going to save it as a PDF. So that's that example, and then I'm guessing you know how to that's the download button. See, there's a little arrow pointing to the screen. There's my downloads. Then I would print this. File, print. That's it.